Huh?
Oh, what did you see?
Nothing.
Like what?
I didn't see anything.
Stop videotaping!
I'm trying to videotape the snow out there.
You're always trying to. Try.
This is my front door. And this is what I see. You stay in there. Out of my front door. The American flag is frozen.
What is she videotaping the place?
What? I can't videotape the mess out here. All this lovely snow. What is wrong with you guys?
You ever videotaping the snow?
So? Dude, what is wrong with them?
What? Stop videotaping me!
What's wrong with you?
Look, someone's behind you. Oh.
Oh, God.
No, you fogged up the camera. Sorry. Doo-doo. This is my back door to my kitchen. And that's what we have.
It isn't snowing anymore.
No, but I think it's like ice raining.
It is not. I can't feel anything.
Scream like a little girl.
Oh, God.
Baby, is he barefoot?
I don't know.
Get your butt in here, dude.
I ain't barefoot.
You're in socks. You're evil. You're an evil shit.
Don't say bad words. What's wrong with you, Doo-doo? What's wrong with you? Stop prancing around like that on your hurt toe. Silly.
Yes.
And he licks the snow. Where did you go so fast?